There's nothing worse than when you go to turn on your Nintendo Switch, you realize that it's been blocked with a parental code. This could be you've forgotten the parental code or someone in the family has put one on. So in this video, we'll show you how you can unblock the parental code if you've either forgotten the PIN or if someone's put it on for you and you want to remove it. So first thing you got to do is go to this website up here, parentalcontrols.nintendo.com. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can follow it. Now watch this video to the end because this is designed for the United States, but you can actually use it in any other country following the directions that I show you through this video. It's Parental Controls PIN Reset. So Nintendo's Parental Control Reset tool will generate your master key to reset the parental control PIN on your system. Now it does require a credit card, which does charge 50 cents. This is just showing Nintendo that you are an adult or you have a credit card that will actually allow you to unlock it. Because obviously children can't own credit cards, so it's designed for parents or for adults. So as you can see, if you're in a country that's not America, it wants you to call a number and contact Nintendo directly. Whereas if you go to the US English, it will allow you to proceed in unblocking the Switch using this method. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that Nintendo Switch has been selected as your product. Then you have to review the terms and conditions. First part of the terms and conditions is just explaining that if you know your PIN, you can actually reset it through the console. Obviously in this situation, we don't know the PIN and we want to reset it. Now it does say that 50 cents will be charged to the card, which obviously ensures that you're an adult. Now to find the serial number, there's a few different options. You've got your Nintendo Switch OLED, which will be under the back stand flap. For the original, it's just under the left-hand side. And for the Switch Lite, it's in the same spot. You can also find it in your system settings if you can't see it on your Switch. Put your serial number into the serial number box provided. Now you have to make sure this is correct, but Nintendo will give you an invalid message if the serial number is wrong. The serial number and confirmation or inquiry number, which you'll see next, both have to be correct for this to work. Otherwise you could either get the wrong code or may not even get a code, which will then mean you have to do the whole process again. So ensure that you check your serial number and your inquiry confirmation number. So once you've entered the correct numbers, go use these numbers. Now this is where you have to enter your contact information. Now realistically, these can be whatever details you want to put in. You can put whatever name, whatever last name. I mean, there's no issues with using your real first and last name. Then just put any random address. So this is where it will work for people in other countries. So if you're not in the United States, this is where you just want to put any sort of random address, but then link it to a state or a city in America. So in the zip code, it's probably best to make sure that they're as close as possible to at least a state and a city, because they might actually check this. But hey, who knows? They're probably not going to care. Now this part is the most important part, where you put in correct email address you want the code to be sent to. If you don't put in your correct email address, the code will either be sent to a random email which isn't yours, or won't actually get sent to you and you won't receive it, meaning you have to do the whole process again and pay another 50-cent fee. Put in your email address, make sure it's correct, confirm it. This is the one that you have access to that you can use, get your code. Once you've completed that, go confirm contact information. Now, as you can see, it says you agree that you'll be charged 50 cents for the age verification to use this service. And then you click agree, and you add in your payment information. So name on card, credit card details, CV number, all that. Now, once you've completed the form, it will say that it's going to send you an email, and it will send you the email with the code. As soon as you get that code, type it into your Switch to unblock it. Now your Switch should have all its parental codes either removed or have the ability to actually change it to a different number which you will remember. That helps, and thanks for watching.